Is it 1,000?
1,700 years.
Oh.
The village.
Oh, it's a village.
Village,
okay,
yes.
it's a village. What's this there?
The water in the canal.
Oh, okay.
Before it's canal.
Oh, but I thought it was an underground parking. Oh, okay, yes. I understand what it is now. It's a bit like a mine. They mine and they're like well inside, yeah? There's a well and water.
Good.
Huh?
No good.
No good, what?
Yes.
No more water? Look at this beauty. Oh, but don't meet up with some snake. Oh. There used to be a canal and like water in this. Oh, this is deep. I actually did a dream last night where I fell in some kind of well, so I'm not really feeling it. Bismillah. Okay, this is pretty scary. Oh. Okay, oh, nice. Okay, it's all abandoned. This is all pitch black. When it rains, it comes down here. And there, oh, and there is a well and everything. Okay. Let's not fall. Let's not fall. And that's a well. And then there is this pitch black place there. I'm not going there. Oh, this is just the beginning of my career as a YouTuber. I'm not getting there. And it's pitch black. Okay, let's get out of here. Very nice. A bit trash. It's weird because normally it's not like this dirty Iran. I think it's because the water brings the trash here. Iran is a fairly clean country. Streets and all that compared to some places I've been to. Yeah, the door is closed. I don't think we can get there, but super nice.
Before people inside is living.
Oh,
No house.
okay. Inside, but
yes.
they abandoned it.
The danger, the
Normal,
tonight door closed,
of course,
morning open.
of course. And there is no internet and all
Yes.
that stuff.
Please, please.
Oh, this is where I was. Okay. Ah, yeah, it's a way to collect, I think. Yeah, this is definitely where I was. It's a way to collect water in the middle of the desert. It's pretty nice. This is the old castle. This is what I like about youth. The expression of love. No like stupid I ignore your text or whatever, just writing the initial of a loved one. This comes from the heart, I have to say. Oh, nice. Let's get out from here. See what I get. Oh. Oof. Oh, I'm getting on top of it. Yeah, it's all crumbling, so I'm not stepping a foot there.
Here on Radio Javon this month, we're spotlighting all the right.
Good song, my friend! Woo! Oh! And I have no seatbelts. My guy said the tree there is 200 years old. So.
خاطر پردیس.
خاطر پردیس. Desert به به. Desert is so majestic, so incredible, and I think that is some kind of like salt residue. Let's see, it's very weird shape. It's like it's made by a human. No, that's not salt. That is, is that rock? Yeah, it's rock. I don't know. What do you think, Andrea, of the... How would you rate that?
اگه فراموشم کنی ترکاوشم کنی پرنده دریا میشم تو تنگ موج رها میشم به دل میگم خاموش بمونه میرم که هر کسی بدونه میرم به سوی اون دیاره که توش منو تنها نذاری اگه یه روز این روم تو گوش من صدا کنه دوباره باز غمت بیاد که منو مبتلا کنه به دل میگم کاریش نباشه بذار درد تو دواشه بره توی تموم